The fifth step of the typical organizational design process is to build out structures. An organizational structure is more detailed than an organizational model. Structures show roles and reporting lines in far more detail than an organizational model. So, what should you consider when developing an organizational structure? First, consider these three questions. What are the bodies of work, including number of roles, remittances, and degrees of change? What are the leadership roles, including number of roles, scope, grade, level, and span? And what teams should be moved to or from the groups, including incoming or outgoing teams, capabilities, and headcount? When you are building out the structure, you'll have to consider reporting lines, spans of control, and grade leveling. The shape calculator and the grade leveling guidelines will be useful. In regards to the team movement, consider whether teams will move intact, if carved out portions of existing teams will move, or if key talent will be moved directly. Lastly, for talent transition, there is a helpful framework called the CAVE framework. The CAVE framework helps to evaluate capabilities within an organization. This will help you as a designer to know where to move people and which gaps to fill. As you develop org structures, you will start to see how important the management of change throughout the org design process has been. If you have effectively managed change, the implementation of the structure will be much easier. People will feel more comfortable with the change before it even happens, therefore increasing buy-in and overall success.